All right, welcome to Art at the Love Shack. Hold on, there's a smudge. Start over.
Smiles.
Welcome to Art at the Love Shack, and tonight we are decorating cookies. Easter's coming up this weekend, and we have Easter egg cookies and bunny rabbit cookies, and we're going to be putting some sprinkles and icing all over. But at your house, you do not have to have Easter egg cookie or a bunny rabbit cookie. You can decorate any type of cookie you'd like as long as you have some of these materials. So we have white icing, which I bet tastes very good. We have sprinkles of all different colors.
We have rainbow sprinkles.
And we also have rainbow sprinkles. We have a placemat and a knife. And so we're gonna work in teams of 2 and we're gonna try to get these cookies decorated. So the whole gang is here and everybody looks excited to decorate their cookie. All right, let's get to decorating. All right, so as we're decorating, we have decided that we want to try to use a stencil to help us out with our designs because the Easter eggs have stripes. So what we're going to do with our paper is we're going to cut a stripe in here, maybe a wavy stripe in the middle of our paper, and we can lay this over the cookie and put the sprinkles through the hole, and it'll make stripes on the Easter egg. Let's see if that works. So I'm just going to fold this paper in half, just like this. And I'm going to cut a thick wavy stripe right in the center. Let's see what happens. And then we'll hold this over the cookies and we will make stripes on our cookie, hopefully. We'll make a wavy stripe. Who wants to test it out? Ella? You want to? Oh wait, hers is pretty much covered. Carly, you want?
We haven't done Easter eggs yet.
Let's see. No, that looks like a mustache. Let me. All right, so we don't want to push it all the way down in there. You want to just take some sprinkles and just drip it over, like just drop it over the paper. Try red. Try red.
Turned out kind of good.
Red will look good.
Not too bad. Wasn't really what I was looking for.
You can hold it up. Hold it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I really like this. Kylie, look at mine.
Then when I move the paper, you can hold your hand up higher.
Almost. Just because it really thinks like crap. Can I do a different color?
Yeah, go for it.
Jeez. I really like the gold.
One more.
Get a little bit on the left side.
Right over there.
Your other hand. The other side. No, just the left side.
That one?
No, the other side.
That one?
Yeah. It's empty over there.
Am I gonna, like, are we gonna all wake up at the same time tomorrow, or am I allowed to sleep in?
I don't know.
I think it's good.
Is it good?
You can sleep.
We made a stripe.
Okay. There's no reason to wake
Let's get a close up of that.
Alright.
So we made a little stripe on the bottom of that bunny right there, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Now I need to make an eye.
Getting crazy with the sprinkles.
Just start
Vance, you done?
Yes. Didn't really turn out the way I wanted to.
Sprinkles.
But it's still
Getting crazy with the sprinkles.
cool. Sprinkles.
See, I'm sprinkling.
Sprinkle.
I'm sprinkling. Oh, nice, Carly. You got some details on yours.
Mm-hmm.
Little tail, little ear detail, and a little bunny foot detail.
And the tail. Oh, yeah, you said tail.
What you got going on, Vance?
Starting to spread out the cream on my bunny.
Mm-hmm. Don't be bashful with that cream. You got a whole bunch in there.
I know.
Thicken that thing up. Ella, I take it you like sprinkles, huh?
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. I see. Your bunny rabbit's purple, pink, and green. And gold with a gold ear.
Yes, the gold
I
ear.
like it. What part are you gonna bite first?
Ear.
The ear? Zoe, what part are you gonna bite of yours first?
I'm probably gonna buy. Which one? I'm probably gonna buy it right here on the Easter egg.
On the egg?
But
Yeah.
I'm gonna save one for the Easter bunny, and it's that one.
Go, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Because the Easter bunny loves.
All right, so Ella's doing the robot dance for us. We finished decorating our cookies, and now it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna give it a little taste. Start over here with Zoe. She's gonna go after her bunny first. Looks like a little bit of hers got a little, oh yeah. Just bite into it. Is that good? Ella? Which one are you gonna have first? That one? All right, she got some gold and red stripes. Wow. You might want to tip it over and let some of the sprinkles that are...
I already did.
Oh, you tipped it over once?
That's how much came off the first time.
Oh, yeah.
A lot.
Have some sprinkles.
This is a messy project, by the
Yeah?
way.
Yeah.
Very, very messy.
But it's going to be tasty.
Oh,
Go ahead. You going to
tip.
bite it or what?
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. Tip.
Tip, don't put too much sprinkles on it.
Not too much sprinkles?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
You can put too much cream on it, but...
All right, Vance. Tell us about yours.
I tried to make it fade with different colors.
Mhm.
It didn't really work out that
All right.
way.
Tell us how it tastes. What do you think? Thumbs up? All right. Ella, how does yours taste? You like the way it tastes?
Good.
And Carly's going to save hers for later. I believe. I believe she is. All right. And that's a wrap from the Love Shack. I hope you enjoyed our little project, and maybe you can decorate a cookie too.
Bye. Come back next time. Watch our other videos.
Subscribe, baby. And turn on notifications.
Comment down below. Bye.
Now y'all are getting weird.
Yeah, there you go,
I'm always
cuckoo.
weird.
You're getting weird.
Olive was under the table when she scared me. She touched my hand. These cookies are good.
Yeah?